this is not Bill. This is in fact B1. Say hello, B1.
Hi, I'm B1.
He's B1. Today, because Bill, I guess his pussy hurts today, so he won't be able to help us today. So what we're doing today is we're taking this Jeep. We're going out to the mountains.
We're going to die.
We're going to what?
We're going to die.
We're going to die. We're going to go out to the mountains.
Get ass raped by hillbillies.
There's always that possibility, yes. Apparently my brother has found a mid-30s pickup truck abandoned next to an old ranger station. So our plan is...
Get ass raped by a ranger.
That's not part of the plan.
It's going to happen.
What we're going to do is we're going to try to get the cab for the truck. We're going to pull that canopy off once we get to my brother's house. Get the cab for the truck, and we're going to put it in the bed of that, and then we're going to hightail it home before
we get ass raped by ranger or hillbillies.
Right. So that's what we're doing, and we're
Yay. The lake and try to find a happy place. I won't go to my happy place.
Right flank down that way. We're on a mission to go pull a truck out of the woods.
Try not to get ass raped by hillbillies and a ranger.
My brother, Brian.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! The old Jeep on some logging roads. Keith's Jeep. It's good for us. It needs it.
You have duct tape, don't you?
No, we don't have no duct tape.
No duct tape. I was going to say somebody's duct tape back whatever falls off. Oh yeah. There's a tree there. Sorry, Craig. Where did the guy pick the middle?
Watch out for trees, man.
I didn't see it.
The trees on both sides of the
I
road.
couldn't see the trees in the boys front for the boy. You better turn around. There's driveway almost hit me with the tree. I'm like, yeah, we're going to the forest, too. I'm going to have to back all the way out of here. That'll be fun. Yeah, that'll make more scare. Yeah, that way they never go back to that so much. Yeah. Imagine in the truck, you're leaping all over the place.
Now this way you get the shock from the truck.
First one who throws up gets the name of the new project.
First one that throws up is called a pussy for the next year.
I shot myself. What do I get? A little bit of warmth. Oh, baby. Get some cushion from that spray. Yay! I seem comfortable now.
You got a string trying to go up your arse?
Yeah.
A little bit uncomfortable, huh?
I'm sitting on the owner's and on the repair manual for this rig right now.
Yeah.
Try that osmosis thing, see if that works. Right.
Oh.
You can do it. What do you miss those sort of fractures? What's wrong with you? I wasn't paying attention yet. I just going too fast. That's the problem. Huh? Am I going too fast?
No?
I got a nice one stretch here. Get on here, girl! Billy Friday had no idea what he was getting into today. Back then, as soon as like, hey, I'm going to recruit you to go steal a truck out in the woods. I do. I think I know how this truck ended up in the woods. Same way this one's going to end up in the woods? Exactly. The gate ahead.
Yeah, don't worry about that. Carbon ahead.
I thought the warning that the gate's going to tap.
Not early. Gate ahead. Very dangerous.
Okay, are we turning around?
Oh shit. Yeah, we gotta turn around.
I take it that gate wasn't closed last time?
I don't think it was.
Chuckle. Getting better. I just mixed it. That makes me happy. You pointed at that Y, Craig, right? Where we went by. You sit right here in the dome, right?
Right.
That's the way you're talking.
Yeah, but it's either down at this Y or it's down at this other way, because we didn't go through a gate.
Oh, this makes it worth it. Let's get you ready for the hillbillies.
Yeah, I'm already losing up for you guys.
That one?
Yeah, try this one.
I love the fucking tree there, Craig.
You can get through that.
Was that there before?
That was we came down the other side of it.
No, I mean when you came through here.
No. Truck, you can run over trees.
I went around. Pussy. And what's that do? That goes back.
That goes into the main road.
My sunglasses have been in peril manual.